What's happening, folks? Nate here at Tool Dyno Works, and today I'm just wrapping up on the dyno yet another ZX6 Supersport build. This race bike has a full Akrapovic exhaust system, our custom velocity stacks, a EVR slipper clutch, DNA air filter, and of course all of our Supersport engine work on the top end. And as always, the final numbers on the dyno are fucking awesome. Our final numbers there are 131 horsepower and 51 foot-pounds of torque to the tire on pump gas. And this isn't even a brand new 2019 Plus, so the latest generation ZX6. This is actually a 2018 model, and it still kicks ass. The secret sauce of these things really is a combination of the velocity stacks that we hand make for these bikes, the top-end Supersport engine work that we do, and of course our ECU flash and custom dyno tuning. So, if you're looking to get yours properly built and dialed in, give us a call, shoot us an email, support@tooldynoworks.com. We're always happy to help.